Release Mazi Nnamdi so that there will be peace in Southeast again. The Asari Dokubo don cut chain for Tinubu, that him papa wey carry for head. He said disappointment and the way they go. If he said he no go come for am. No be smart, you know. One of our Ikore brother wey we update you last time, he don still come outside, come clear say him name na Igbo name and him ancestors from Igbo, so he can never deny Igbo. Him brothers should join him and also never to deny Igbo again. My people, may we go find out how it take happen. Okay, my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today are the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. No be small thing. Mazi the hot, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, may you quickly go subscribe to this channel. And if you know say you never turn your notification bell, if they miss a lot or you go miss our update back to back, may you turn your notification bell so that you don't go miss our update again. As it they hot, make sure say they follow us for Facebook and follow all our social media handles. Very, very important as it they hot. Maybe small thing. Let's jump into the matter we will get for hand today. Asari Dokubo don call out to Tinubu, say disappointment and the way they go. Say for a mind, didn't say everywhere good for am, say everywhere no good for am. Oh, say him be the hardcore we support am. And now the appointment, but I say they don't give him anything. Now the man come paro. Maybe they don't tell all him men, say maybe they go drop that iron where they hold for hand. Now the man come outside, come provoke. He come to say Tinubu they go a wrong way. Say this wrong way when they go like this. When he go ref for him, he no go call rescue him. Will be small thing. Like say he don't become will be this man Waglam group for Russia. Where they go rescue Russia for war. No be small thing. Mo go play you the video. May you watch us Asari talk about the year this Okpata when the year give him Bapa when campaign for. Oh yeah, watch the video before we come back and proceed.
Ahmed Bola Tinubu is traveling on a very dangerous path. And if he does not correct it and change some of these appointments, even we who are his hardcore supporters will not be able to stand with him. It's up to you. If you feel that you are comfortable now, things are going to be easy now. They tell you that you can do whatever you like. You can do what Buhari or worse than what Buhari did. It is one-sided appointment. So you too can do your one-sided appointment. You are not Buhari. Know that. You are not. Buhari had a cult followership. You do not have that sort of cult followership. If there are cult followers, we are your cult followers. Those people who are now around, benefiting, making appointments, taking decisions, they were afraid to stand by you. If they were not afraid to stand by you, they will not go and be contesting for House of Rep and so on. If they actually believe that you win the election. They wanted a bird in hand is worth more than.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that Okpata way Asari Dokubo the this man, well, now how they know and be say now I'll go isa above for Igbo language and I be say snake will get to her. If Tinubu still call and tomorrow give us small thing, he go still come outside, come blast everybody, anybody will talk against Tinubu. That's what they do. That's why this struggle where we there, we still there where we there today. They go say now Igbo people do Igbo do this one, Igbo do that one, but see what they do for crocodile eyes. Everybody, they, even your own children self, they shame for you. No be small thing. Tinubu go be worse than Buhari before you know before. Now they wake up. Good morning, Asari Dokubo. No be smart. We'll quickly jump into the next of Benge news where we'll get for hand. This news, this one will go and talk now because of Ikwere people where they always deny say they no be Igbo, especially the rivers where they say they no be Igbo. Oh God, your papa name na my name. Me and you they speak the same language. If me and you no be one, how come it happen? Why Igbo person no go to speak Yoruba or they bear Yoruba name? Why would no you go to speak Hausa if you say we no learn or they bear Hausa name? Una mumu done too much. Una brother don't come outside. Una vibrant brother don't come outside. Come talk say this one what una dey do. He say no be so. No be so. Say anywhere when you go to tomorrow or for social media when you even comment when you drop, they look in them. They go say this one na Igbo man main come on for here. See they know if you ask am where you from or where you come from. Most of all those ones where they pilot all this are no be Igbo. Check very well. Their papa na Hausa, their mama do away match, go and born them. Check very, very well. They get connection with Fulani or with Hausa people. So they will never. Now for you people will be Ikwere and will be River State to fish them out from your meat so that they no go deny you your ancestors. Okay, my people, we'll go watch the video and hear how this thing take happen. Oh, listen.
This agenda, this unification is not what it is not what we should be playing with. The way Nigeria is wired, it is already wired against the Igbo man. Do you know that my name is called Chimenu Oma? If I travel away from this place, what they see me as an Igbo man. Even online now, you're making a proper, normal discussion that shouldn't relate to any form of ethnicity. And the moment you make those kind of comments, somebody is reminding you that you are an Igbo man. My friend, this Igbo man, get away. That is why you go. Oh. And the same thing they do to my brothers. They are aware. The same thing they will do to you. No matter how you try to run away from it, you cannot because your name is an Igbo name. But you want to do away with the name. How do you intend to do away with the name? You also have to do away with the language.
Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you today. It's another day, a beautiful day, another edition of the Unify Igbos Now campaign. I have a very enthusiastic brother.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be small thing. So you don't watch the video and see the reason why we would they talk say these people need to look into their self and check all those one where their mama do away match go born. Where be say if they talk anything concern Igbo, they say no, they no be Igbo, they no be Igbo, no be small thing. So once you fish out all those ones, check their background. Anybody will come outside they talk that thing. Mona go check in history. How mama and papa take waka. Maybe they're from the north side, or those people will try to suppress you from your brothers or separate you from your ancestors, because these kind of things also bring a setback to communities because you don't know where you are coming from. The way that Africa is working hard to return back to ancestral way of living and way of doing things and reject the civilization they brought to them to colonize them and take away their ancient ways. Why they are the main person, the original people that come to this world. So this is the way that all tribe need to locate and they find out where they are coming from and go back to their roots as well. It'll be small thing. So let's look into this particular news that I'm seeing here. They say that only Réléase will restore peace, security in Southeast. It'll be small thing. No. This is coming from Ebuka Obi Church. He said that the Ebuka Obi has declared that only the release of the 10 leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi will restore peace in Southeast and security, stable security in Southeast. That the federal government should urgently release Mazi Nnamdi. But as of recently, because of Ebuka Obi as talking of the Imo State election, they said that the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile will be Simon Ekpa say, hey, why Ebuka Obi go support election for Imo State? As we dey talk now both Gbazai, two of them they go for social media. We are going to bring the update of what is going on and the reply of Simon Ekpa to his videos where Ebuka Obi make a statement of security of in church. We are bringing you that information in the next update. So guys, please share this video and let us know what you think in comment section. Asari Dokubo he don't call aside in papa or say me in papa no appoint am for so many things. No be only that one. I will come dey talk now. They say again, our Igbo brothers wey be Kwere, wey dey reject Igbo people, their brother don't call them to uniform, and they because we don't see come aside. Come talk say the only release of Nnamdi now go bring peace for Southeast. Guys, let us know what you think in the comment section. See you in the next update. Thank you.